Hi guys, so recently I visited to Itsy Bitsy Hyderabad store, and this is an art and craft store in which you can find almost everything related to all the arts like decoupage. Then you can find jewelry making craft, and then these stencils, colors, gesso, almost all kind of colors, then party supplies, then mixed media. This is the one store where you can get almost everything related to art and craft. So I'm gonna give you a detailed tour of Itsy Bitsy, and we'll start from paper flower collection. They have very beautiful and fine paper flower collection, as you can see. They have some really nice offer as well going on in there, and if you're wondering you don't have a Itsy Bitsy store in your city, so simply you can just go to their website itsybitsy.in and आप वहाँ पर ये सारी की सारी supplies, सारी की सारी चीज़ें you can find it online as well. Look at this beautiful collection of the flowers they have. This is for like 300, and they have some offers also going on them. Like these are for 20%, and like if you buy 5 flowers you'll get 50% off. And then next, let's go to Decoupage paper and decoupage napkin collection. You've been asking me this so many times that from where you can get these decoupage napkin paper. So this is the one store. See, they have like so many decoupage papers, napkins, and they have huge collection of beautiful printed decoupage napkin papers. And this is decoupage boxes. If you don't want to spend much on MDF boxes, you can just simply take these kind of boxes. And they have this huge collection of wooden boxes. This little cute box is for $179. So you can just decoupage it and you can gift it to your friends and family members. And they have huge collection of frames. And they have this very beautiful collection of trays and wooden material. As you can see, they have so much collection of trays. Next, let's go to soap making collection. So if you are interested in making soaps, you will get the material of soap making. Then they have this huge collection of beads. If you're interested in jewelry making or any other craft, you can get huge variety of different kind of beads. And this all supplies are for jewelry making. So if you are into jewelry making, you can just simply go and get these kind of beads and essentials from there. And this kind of thread, the silk thread, this also you can see they have beautiful collection of silk thread. And these are the jewelries in which you can make different kind of patterns. And this is like a one section in which you can just go and grab, like buy one for 100 rupees or something like that. And they have this swing machine. The original cost is for 12,000 and they're giving it for 8,000, so you can save a lot of money in that. And these kind of craft essential, you can just get it and you can keep it on the bowl. And they have a huge collection of stencils. As you can see, this is like flat 30% off. And they all are metal charms. They look really beautiful. You can make jewelry from them. You can paste it on your MDF boxes. Look at the quality they have, really beautiful. They are for 79 rupees and 99 rupees. And this all section is of inks and stamps. So they all are wooden stamps, and if you go up you can see all these silicone stamps. And they all are chipboards. So if you are into mixed media, you can just go and get these. And they have a huge collection of alphabet chipboards, and there are some offering on them. And they all are art essentials. And they all are for flower making, so if you are into flower making, you can just get these essentials from there. And they all are tags, so you can make your own customized tags. You can just get those ready-made tags and you can make your own tags. And this is all alphabets number. And if you're looking for party supplies, they have almost everything related to party. They have numbers, they have candles, they have balloons, they have caps, they have masks. So everything related to parties you can get from there. Then these are silicone mold. They are like one of my favorite. You can make so beautiful embellishment from them. I have taken this one. And this is for $5.49. So you can get your own silicone mold from there. And if you are into die cutting, yes, you have almost everything related to that. And huge collection of craft papers they have. Then they have all kind of canvases and this stand. And if you are interested in sculpture paste art, then you can get those supplies. And if you are into mixed media, yes, you can get almost everything. They have almost everything related to mixed media. You can see all the kind of colors, spray paint, color collection. Then they have all these acrylic colors. Then these are all watercolor. Then brush collection. This one is for $7.99. And if you want to do some experiment with pouring painting, then they have art supplies for that. And all kind of art supplies is related to painting. And they have really beautiful collection of brushes. You've been asking me kaun sa brush hum use kare. So this is the one brush you have to use for decoupage. So I'm going to take these three. And they have this really beautiful collection of sitara. And if you like some blinky things, then they have these all sparkles. And they have this really nice and beautiful collection of glitter. This one is my favorite. This is like a masala dani. And this ribbon collection. And you've been asking me about the pearl stickers. So yes, they have these pearl stickers and these foam sheet shapes and craft thermocol shapes. You can use them all for your kids' craft. And they have this really nice collection of home decor. And if you want to make your own nameplate and all, you can go for that. And this one is for $3.29. You can just hang it on your kitchen. And this bottle opener. And every Saturday they have a class of decoupage or mixed media or some or the other thing. So these are some projects from the classes, as you can see. So that is it, guys. This was the tour of Itsy Bitsy Hyderabad. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel. And if you want to see these kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below. And till then, see you next time. Bye bye.